Our picnic beef biryani preparations. Here I have taken 2 kilograms beef, 4 packets of biryani masalas, mustard oil, first cut meat into cubes. Let's start our marinating preparations. Mixing all the spices with mustard oil. While I am marinating beef, my bro rinsing 5 kilograms rice, which was soaked for 30 minutes. Here is our little helping hand. Meow meow meow. Now adding yogurt. Mix mix mix. Milk powder. Mix mix mix. And our marination is done. Here is our rice, 3 kilograms potatoes, chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, tomato, onion, green chili paste, whole spices, some green chilies, cooking oil, rose water, kewra water. Meanwhile chopping some salad. Now let's get start making our biryani. First heat oil in a large pot. Add sliced onions and saute until golden brown. Add some green chilies, whole spices. Ginger garlic paste, tomato paste and saute for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add marinated beef cubes and cook until they are browned on all sides. Stir in chopped potatoes, cook for couple of minutes. Mix mix mix. Add soaked and drained rice to the pot. Stir gently to coat the rice with the spices. Some carrots and spring onions. Add salt. Mix mix mix. Adding ghee. Pour water into the pot. Adding some garam masala and bring it to a boil. Once the rice is 80% cooked, adding some green chilies, garam masala, fragrance water, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot. And let it cook until the rice is fully done and the meat is tender. Once cooked, add some fried onions, biryani essence, stir the biryani gently. Serve the picnic hot beef biryani with salad. And enjoy your picnic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.